Hi, this video is about the Nova 9037 bath seat with back and arms and a U-shaped cutout. So I'm going to show you the very quick and easy tools-free assembly. So when you pull all the components out of the box, you will have the bath seat, and you'll notice the U-shaped cutout, 2 back inserts, the back rest, 4 legs, and 2 arms. And the assembly is so easy. This whole thing comes together with a push-button design. So I'm going to turn this back seat over, and we're going to start with the legs. And you really can start the legs at any point. They all fit the same way. So you're going to push these buttons, give it a push, and that will lock into place on the other side with a cutout. So I'll just start with this one. Push the button, give it a push, and there you go. Same with all the other legs. All right, there you go. And you'll notice that we've got extra wide base tips, drainage holes, and these legs are fully adjustable. We have them numbered, so it makes the adjustment easy. You just want to make sure that all 4 legs are at the same level, the same number for stability. All right, go ahead and turn it over. You'll notice on one side you have the tube inserts for the back. We're going to go ahead and do that now. Same thing, go ahead and give that button a push. It releases in the whole cutout, and same thing for the other side. All right, now let's put on the arms. And the last step is the back. Give it a push, and then the buttons go through. All right, there you go. That is the bath seat with back and arms and U-shaped cutout, fully assembled. And we also have attached our care, use, and customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.